garage is a mess, but let's see if you can see certain some. Oh, look who it is. What is it? Get a food first?
I was trying to find my card. I was looking over here. Looking right here, and it was right here. So
You already had it ready? It's a nice day. Oh, ooh, I did not see that step there. That's what you get.
you fucking serious, really?
Yeah, I was filming
nice, huh?
I was filming my I'm pretty sure. Pretty sure he does. Your dad goes, this is what my son is up to. Oh, should be here. No. Looking for. It should be like in the performance section. It's funny. I can't even say that without laughing. Maybe here. Oh, here. Let's see if they do have it. They have it here. Which I don't. It would have been like here. Somewhere. It would have been somewhere here. Now we can go to the other one. I'll ask. Yeah. That's right now. Let's see. I don't think I see it. They're at different AutoZone. And it is. Yes! Right there. Only Juan. Perfect. It's only Juan we need.
$21?
Yeah.
AutoZone, you guys really need to reconsider what the fuck you sell over here, because it's not. I don't even know
what brand that is.
No, it looks like some boo-boo ass shit. But it'll work for right now.
No, wrong one.
Wrong one.
The camera's a little offset. Sorry. What a bummer. They're over here charging an arm and a leg. He's all, what the fuck? So you guys cut in front of me. You know how long I've been waiting? Well, we don't fucking waste time over here. Damn, look at that. Side of the truck? Yeah. So over here. No cuantos. Nothing.
So we're still gonna spray this side and then we'll put that fucking thing right there and right there.
I didn't like the way they taped it either. Remember when I seen it, I was like, why don't you grab a fucking solid piece of tape, put it over it, and cut it?
You wanna know something? I fucking left the tape in my house.
Oh, you did?
You're a dumbass. No, you need it. Because I have tape in my room.
No, he has the painter's tape.
I have painted tape in my room.
I mean, do we need it? Just unbolt these and fucking put a bag right there, like something. Ask your brothers. All you need it for is just to block the hole, right? But whole intersection, that is like a, yeah, you might as well run into the fucking store there right there and start fucking jacking off kind of shit.
Oh, look, it's already crinkled all nice and stuff, so we'll just give it a couple more coats.
They're all young food, that's why, bro.
Huh?
He said that the ambulance was blocking the traffic, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, he said the cops didn't show up for about a good 30 minutes.
Fuck. Fucking ambulance, dude.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, the ambulance is all, hey, we're here if anything happens.
They said that the ambulance was just recording on their phone. They're probably all young, that's why.
Yeah. Well, a lot of them are like our age.
Yeah, right? Remember?
Yeah, a lot of the people that are EMTs are I went to school with them.
They want to be part of the movement, but they're still on the clock. So, like, you know what? We're already right here, so we might as well just have fun and just say that we got blocked up in this traffic. Why? Watch out with this, cause look.
Oh, it's lifting up?
Yes,
I can clean it up.
What happened?
Let it dry, and then it should be okay. I think that's the last coat. We'll start putting the manifold back on, and then
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think. I really
wait for the paint to dry, so we can put the intake
Maybe it
back
was
on.
cool the other day, but I don't.
What's up, man? How's work?
Tired.
You look tired, bro.
Yeah.
Look how tired he looks, bro. Look at
He
him.
does not look tired. He looks like he's ready. About to pop all of them.
Pass out.
Just waiting for paint to dry.
Hey, this shit is fucking pulling, bro.
Didn't film the manifold going back on, but that's because I didn't think we needed it. We did it already once before. We're waiting for this thing to finish crinkle coating, but it looks pretty clean. Letting it bake under the lights. Oh my God.
Hey, we're playing with bedtime story right now.
Bedtime story. It's okay.
Oh man, this is
Perfect. Ahorita vamos para allá. Want a race? Guys, look at the fucking tree.
Let's stay rap, nigga. Where is it? Fucking a chicken over here. Scared, dog. Huh? Oh, nigga.
Can't do it in an intersection. Oh, dude, there's a fucking cop right there the entire time.
Oh, no mames.
No mames, cop. Oh, he's like right there.
And his light doesn't turn green before ours.
Well, he has to wait.
Yeah.
Because, like, it's the same. You guys are fucked. Get sunset!
Damn, that's just loud as fuck. Yeah, it's like
Savage ass food. I didn't see no scrape, did you?
No.